everyone, happy Walgreens Monday. Come with me and let me show you what I'm going to pick up this week. My haul this week is a $2.06 moneymaker. Let's go. All right, so I have two boosters that I'm working with today. One is a spend 25, get 7, and the other is a earn 9 when you spend 40. First deal I'm going to do is on the Dove. It is on promotion again this week for $7 each. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. I'm going to pick up 2 Dove. I'm going to clip the $5 off one digital coupon. I will pay $9. Getting back a $4 register reward. Final cost will be $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal I'm going to do is on this Tom's of Maine. They are on sale for $4.99. And when you buy 2, you're going to get $3 in Walgreens cash back. 2 of these will total me $9.98. I have a $3 off 2 digital coupon, leaving me to pay $6.98, getting back $6 in Walgreens cash, final cost 98 cents for both. I'm also going to pick up one of these Skintimate razors for $6.99, and I have a $4 digital coupon, leaving me to pay $2.99 out of pocket for these razors. Now, I'm not going to do the complete deal of buy 2, get, I believe it's $4 in in-store coupons. Just because I had a paper coupon that I was going to use with it, but it expired, unfortunately. I'm just going to pick up one to help me get over that $40 threshold. But once again, I'm going to be adding a finished dishwasher tab into my cart. These are my preferred brand of dishwasher tabs. They are on sale for $5.49. I have a $1.50 digital coupon, leaving me to pay $3.99 out of pocket, but then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back. Final cost $2.99. And again, this deal is just to help me meet that spend 40, get 9 booster. The last thing I'm going to add to my transaction today is going to be 2 boxes of General Mills cereal. Select cereal is on sale at $1.99 each. I have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, leaving me to pay $2.98 out of pocket. And then I'm going to submit back to Ibotta for $1 back on both boxes. Final cost $1.98 or 99 cents each. Here's my complete transaction. This transaction will total me $40.44, but I have $14.50 in coupons, leaving me to pay $25.94. However, I'm getting back $22 in Walgreens cash. I'm getting back a $4 register reward and $2 back on Ibotta. That makes this entire haul free and a $2.06 moneymaker. Okay, you guys are never going to believe this. So when I went up front to check out, get the receipt, show you guys how everything worked out, the entire Walgreens system was down. Completely down. So I will try and make a follow-up video once I can actually purchase these items and show you how it worked out. Make sure to subscribe and click that like button. It genuinely supports my channel, and I appreciate every single one of you that does. That's all for now, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.